Ever wonder if the food on your plate could help you live a longer, healthier life? Good news, it absolutely can. And the best part? Choosing the right foods isn't just good for you, but also for the planet. Let's talk about how eating sustainably can add years to your life while keeping our world thriving. Studies show that people who eat more plant-based, whole foods tend to live longer, healthier lives. Think about the Mediterranean diet, full of fresh veggies, nuts, and olive oil. It's been linked to lower risks of heart disease, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. But here's something cool. Many of these longevity-boosting foods are also sustainable, meaning they have a lower environmental impact. So, by making better food choices, you're not just adding years to your life, you're helping protect the earth for future generations. So, what should you be eating? Here are some of the best longevity-boosting sustainable foods. Leafy greens, kale, spinach, and Swiss chard are packed with nutrients and support heart health. Legumes, lentils, beans, and chickpeas provide plant-based protein, fiber, and help the soil stay healthy. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds offer healthy fats and antioxidants. Whole grains, quinoa, brown rice, and oats give you long-lasting energy without harming the planet. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries fight inflammation and keep your brain sharp. These foods aren't just good for your health, they also have a low carbon footprint, use less water, and reduce food waste compared to processed or animal-based foods. Eating for longevity doesn't mean giving up all your favorite foods. It's about making small, sustainable swaps. Swap red meat for plant-based proteins like beans, tofu, or lentils a few times a week. Choose seasonal and local produce to reduce transportation emissions. Limit ultra-processed foods. They're often bad for your health and the environment. Reduce food waste by planning meals and using leftovers creatively. Even small changes add up over time. Plus, eating this way keeps you feeling more energized, focused, and vibrant. At the end of the day, what's good for you is good for the planet. By eating more whole, plant-based, and sustainably sourced foods, we're not just investing in our own health, we're creating a healthier future for generations to come. And honestly, who doesn't want to live longer while feeling amazing? So, next time you're at the grocery store, think about how your choices can help you thrive for years to come. Small shifts make a big difference, both for you and for the world around you. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips on healthy, sustainable living. Stay well and happy eating.